Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to cancel tasks on TaskRabbit. Canceling a task on TaskRabbit is straightforward. In the app, start by tapping the task from your bottom notifications, scroll the bottom, select Cancel Task, choose your reason, hit Submit, and confirm. If you prefer using website, log into your dashboard, click the three-dot menu on the task window, select Cancel Task from the drop-down. Remember, TaskRabbit does have a cancellation policy if you cancel or reschedule less than 24 hours before the scheduled time. You may face a fee. For full details, just search TaskRabbit cancellation policy in your browser. And here is a tip: always review your tasks ahead of time to avoid late cancellations and keep your account in good standing. That's all it takes to cancel a task with ease. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.